morning children, welcome back. Today we will continue with our chapter number 9. Today we are going to solve exercise number 9.2. Before starting the exercise, you all know about days in a week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, days in a week, 7 days. You all know the name of days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And how many months are there in a year? Months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Okay? You all know the name starting from January to December. Okay? Now let's start our exercise number 9.2. First question is question number 1. Choose the correct option. Okay? Choose the correct answer. First is the day before Saturday. Before means pehle. Which day comes before Saturday? Friday. So first one is Friday. So you will tick option number C. Number 2 is at 10:35 the minute hand is at. This is a clock. 1, 2. This is a clock. What is the time? Time is 10:35. The hour hand will be at 10 and minute hand, this is 10:35. So what is your question? At 10:35 the minute hand is at. The minute hand is at where? 7. So we will write here 7, which is given in option number D. Okay. Now number 3. At a 3:45 the minute hand is at. 3:45 means 15 minutes left to 4. Means the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at here. This is 3:45. So in this, where is the minute hand? The minute hand is at 9. So you will write the minute hand is at 9 in 3:45, which is given in option number B. Okay. In the last class, I have told you one day is having how many hours? 24 hours. One day is equals to 24 hours. Okay. From midnight to one day is equals to 24 hours. This is a clock. These are the two hands. Okay. So how many hours are there in one day? One day is equals to 24 hours. Means starting from the midnight. Midnight 12 to noon 12. रात को 12 बजे से दोपहर के 12 बजे तक कितने घंटे हो गए? 12 hours. How many hours? 12 hours. You can count. Midnight 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. दोपहर के 12 बजे तक 12 घंटे. From noon 12 to midnight 12. 12 hours. ठीक है. रात दोपहर को 12 बजे से लेके रात के 12 बजे तक 12 hours. Add both these hours, you get your one day. One day कब से कब होगा? रात को 12 बजे. आज सपोज आज है 4. ओके, तो आज रात को 12 बजे से लेके कल रात के 12 बजे तक वो पूरा वन डे कंप्लीट होगा. तो उस वन डे में कितने आवर्स हो गए? 24 आवर्स. ओके. एंड हाउ वी विल यूज द टाइम? रात मीन्स midnight 12 to noon 12. रात को 12 बजे के बाद से सुबह 12 बजे तक हम टाइम के आगे AM यूज करते हैं. What do you mean by AM? AM is anti-meridian. Okay. And after 12 means noon 12 to midnight 12. दोपहर को 12 बजे से लेके रात को 12 बजे तक हम क्या यूज करते हैं टाइम के साथ? PM. PM means post meridian. Okay, this concept got clear. AM and PM. Midnight 12 to noon 12 we are using AM. रात को 12 बजे से दोपहर के 12 बजे तक हम क्या यूज करते हैं टाइम के साथ? AM. चाहे कितना भी टाइम हो, चाहे 3 o'clock हो, 4 o'clock हो, मॉर्निंग को 6 o'clock हो, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे सुबह 6 o'clock को? 6 AM. ओके, और वही शाम को मीन्स नून 12 टू मिडनाइट 12, मतलब दोपहर को 12 बजे से लेके रात के 12 बजे तक हम क्या लिखेंगे? सपोज अभी टाइम हो रहा है 4, तो 4 PM. ओके, ये आफ्टर 12 वी आर यूजिंग PM एज पोस्ट मेरिडियन एंड बिफोर 12 we are using AM is anti-meridian. So this concept is clear how one day makes 24 hours. Okay, now let's move to our next question. Next question is conversion. Choose the correct answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given here that you have to convert. Okay. Number 4th is 1 day and 15 hours इक्वल टू एक दिन और 15 आवर्स कितने आवर्स होंगे? ठीक है, इक्वल्स टू. सो अभी मैंने नाउ जस्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू 1 डे इज इक्वल्स टू 24 आवर्स. ओके, एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ एंड वी विल ऐड 15 आवर्स. व्हाट वी विल गेट? 4 + 5 is 9, 2 + 1 3, 39 hours. Okay, so our answer is option number A, 39 hours. Okay, now number 5 is 9 hours and 40 minutes. Now you have to convert this into minute also. First, just remember these points. You people all know because we have learned all this in our earlier classes. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. In the last class I have also told you 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, these are some important facts. Okay, you all know about the second also. I have yesterday only, in the yesterday class only I have told you about this, explained about the seconds also. So these are the important points. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. एक घंटे में 60 मिनट्स होते हैं, ये कल हमने काउंट करके देखा था क्लॉक में. एंड 1 मिनट इज इक्वल्स टू 60 seconds. Okay, now moving on to our question number 5. What is number 5? Number 5 is you have to change into minutes. Okay, number 5 is 9 hours. I am writing the short form. Okay, 9 hours and 40 minutes. Now this you have to convert into minute. This one is already given into minute. We have to convert hour into minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Then 9 hour will be equals to 9 into 60 or 60 into 9. So you will multiply here, you will get 9 0 is 0, 9 6 is 54, 540 minutes. Okay, this is the minute of only 9 hours, and here also 40 minutes again it's given and it is left over. In place of and you will put plus sign and you will add 40. So what you will get when you will add this 540 plus 40 is equals to 580. Okay. So how many total minutes? 580 minutes, which is given in option number C. So you will tick option number C for this question. Okay, now next one is 45 minutes past 10 can be written as. For this we have to draw the clock. This is the clock. Okay, this is the clock and what time is given here? 45 minutes past 10 means 10 बज चुके हैं. तो our hand will be on 10 and 11, between 10 and 11 our hand. Okay, and past 45 minutes. I have just told you yesterday about these seconds and minutes, how we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it reaches 1, it is 5 minutes. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so what is the time here? 45 minutes past 10. So the minute hand will be on 9. So this time which is shown here in the clock, that can be written as, इसको हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 45 minutes past 10, it is also correct. Now after 10, what we will, which hour will be getting? 11. Okay, so how many minutes is left to 11? 5, 10, 15, means 15 minutes left to 11. So it can be written as quarter to 11. Quarter means 15 minutes left. Okay, quarter to 11. Quarter means 15 minutes. So with this time we can write it as, it is 15 minutes to 11, means 15 minutes है अभी 11 o'clock के लिए. Okay, so this option is option number B. So you all will take option number B for this question. Okay, now moving on to question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. I am not writing the blanks over here. I am writing only the answer. I am reading the questions also. Okay. Now question number 2 is fill-ups. Fill in the blanks or fill-ups. Okay. Number first is Tuesday comes after. When Tuesday comes after which day? Tuesday comes after Sunday. Sorry, Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday. So Tuesday comes after Monday. So in the first blank you all will write Monday. Number 2 is Friday comes before. Before means पहले. Friday किसके पहले आता है? Thursday. 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 Okay. Next is Saturday comes between. Saturday किन दो दिनों के बीच में आता है? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Saturday comes between Friday and Sunday. Friday and Sunday. Okay. Next is number 4. The first month of the year is January. Which is the first month of the year? First month of the year is January. Number 5 is the 6th month of the year is. Let us just count January, Feb, March, April, May, June. So which is the 6th month of the year? 6th month is June. Number 6. The 9th month of the year is June is 6th. Then after June, July is 7th, August 8th, September is 9th. So which is the 9th month of the year? September. Next, number 7 is November comes between dash and dash. So this is the November month. Last month which is gone is October, November and December. So November comes in between October and December. Okay. Number 8. Dash is the last month of the year. Of course, we all know December. Okay. You all celebrate 31st December, 25th December. Now number 9th is dash days is equals to 1 week. 1 week is having how many days? 7 days. Number 10th is dash month is equals to 1 year, 12 month. Okay. Now next is question number 3. So what is question number 3? Question number 3, let's see. Question number 3 is convert into hours. Conversion. Convert into hours. Okay. So first one is 9 days. Just now I have told you how we will convert this. Okay. I am separating here. Number second is 12 days. Number first, we all know that just now we have solved this type of question. We know that 1 day is equals to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. HRS is the short form of hours. Okay. Now 9 days is equals to, how we will calculate? 24 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21. So how many hours? 216 hours. Okay. Next one is 12 days. So we all know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So 12 days is equals to 12 into 24. We will just multiply in rough and see. Okay. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2. 8, 8, 2. So 288 hours. See children, units are very important. After conversion you have to write the units. Otherwise your marks will be cut. Okay. In exams if you are all not writing the units, we will cut your marks. Okay. So units are very important part of the mathematics when we are solving. So our next question is, third is 21 days. Number 3 is 21 days. Same, we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So 21 days will be 24 into 21. We will multiply here in rough. 24 into 21. 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 4, 504. So what is our answer? 504 hours. Okay. Now number 4th is 40 days. Number 4th is 40 days. If 1 day is having 24 hours, so 40 days is equals to 40 into 24. So what will be the answer? 4 4s are 16, 6, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 960 hours. You will multiply here in rough and see. Okay. 4 zeros are 0, 4 4s are 16, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8, 0, 6, 9, 960 hours. Okay. So, as here 6 questions are given, I have solved 4 questions. You will try to solve these 2 questions by your own. Number 5 is 24 days and number last one is 33 days. Only just you have to multiply with 24. Okay. Next one is question number 4. Question number 4 is convert into minutes. Question number 4. Convert into minutes. Okay. Number first is 8 hours. We all know that just now I have explained you again. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. एक घंटे में कितना टाइम होता है? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. तो 8 hours मतलब 8 घंटे में कितना टाइम होगा? 8 hours is equals to 8 into 60. 48. 480 minutes. So 8 घंटे में कितने minutes होंगे? 480 minutes. Okay. Number 2 is 5 hours. 5 hours. Again 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 5 hours will be 5 into 60 is equals to 300 minutes. So 5 hours में कितने minutes होंगे? 300 minutes. Okay. Number third is 9 hours. Okay, so 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 9 hour is equals to 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 9 hour is equals to 9 into 60. 540 minutes. We will just multiply and write. Please, I can do directly. So you will, those who can do directly multiplication, they can do direct. Otherwise, you will do in rough and then write. Okay. Number fourth is 14 hours. Okay. Number fourth is 14 hours. Same 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 14 hour will be 14 into 60. 14 hours is equals to 14 into 60 minutes. 840 minutes. Okay. You will just multiply in rough and then see. Okay. After multiplying, we will get 840 minutes. So, like this also, in this question also 2 I am leaving. You can solve that question. You will try to solve that question by your own. Number 5th is 25 hours. You will just multiply 25 by 60. And then last is 38 hours. You will just multiply that by 60 minutes. Okay. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.